Let me guess, someone stole your sweet roll? Welcome back, adventurers, to another episode of Off the Pie Charts. I'm your host, Tyler. My last Skyrim video, which I'm going to put there, did very well. So I thought today we would make some sweet rolls. Let's get started. For the rolls, you're gonna need melted butter, warm milk, honey, an egg, active dry yeast, and flour. For the frosting, you're gonna need cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and heavy whipping cream. This is a Wilton mini bun cake pan I found online. I'll put the link in the description below. But first, let's get it greased. In a large bowl, you wanna mix the warm milk, butter, and the honey together. You just wanna give this a little whisk until the honey is dissolved. Let's add a pinch of salt. And now's the time to add the yeast. Oh, hey there, little guys, you've been sleeping for a while. Time to wake up and make some delicious bread. And we want to add our egg. Now's the time to add the flour. Go nice and slow, and you just want a smooth batter. All right, now we're going to put the batter into the pans here. I'm thinking maybe half full. Oh no, we're gonna have a baby one. That's okay. I'm gonna tap out the air bubbles like I do with any cake. Okay, I'm done. Let's let these sit and rise for 30 minutes. While the rolls are rising, let's make this simple frosting. Into a small bowl, you want to add your powdered sugar and your softened butter and cream cheese. Now let's grab a fork and just kind of start working on creaming these together. And when you get to this consistency, start adding the heavy whipping cream a little bit at a time. You're just looking for this drizzling consistency here. That looks pretty good. Our rolls are risen and ready to go in the oven. Let's put them in at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can insert a toothpick, and if they come out clean, the rolls are good. The sweet rolls came out and they look really good. Make sure you let them completely cool before this next step. You just want to take your glaze and just start drizzling it over, letting it go off the edges a little bit. The rolls are done and they look great. You're not gonna tell the guards if I steal one, do you? These were so much fun. Thank you so much for recommending them. If there's something else you want me to bake, put it in the description box below and I'll do my best to make it happen. We're getting close to 500 subscribers. I'm gonna do a giveaway soon. More details to come. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I make new videos weekly and you won't wanna miss it. Until next time, this is Off the Pie Charts.